Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, coming at you from the Aquila hub of the United States of America. What you see back there is an all-new Aquila 36 fishing package. Really great boat, a lot of innovation. You don't see a ton of them around, but the ones you do see are absolute hits. So follow me over here, we're going to walk you towards the boat. We're going to talk for a minute. A big question I get, whether back when I was a captain or now that I'm in sales, is, all right Nick, before I start to look at other models, tell me, be honest with me here, what can I compare this boat to? And that's such a difficult question to answer because there truly is nothing like an Aquila 36 on the market. Between the open bow, 2 staterooms down below, outboard power that's going to get you on this boat around 43 miles per hour. It truly is one of a kind. So let's hop on board and I'll show you what all of this hype is all about. Before we hop on board here, we're going to have twin 400 Mercury Verados. Of course, that these are the joystick piloting, or JPO as you might see them referred to. When I said before that this boat was a fishing package, this is what I mean by that right here. You have your rail system back there that you can kind of brace yourself on when you're fighting a big fish. These 3 modules back here are all going to be prepped towards fishing with our live well. Our rod holders back here and our fish box cooler. Open this up like so. And then over here, you're going to have your grill and your fridge combo. So let me walk you through this day on the water. You're going to put your baits in there. You're going to catch your fish, put them in here, ice them down. Then when you're enjoying a cocktail back at the dock later, you're going to cook them over here. We call that hook 'em and kirk 'em. As we make our way through this boat from stern to bow, I'm going to point out quite a few different options that we'll see that are really popular on just about any Aquila 36. The first is going to be up the top of my head right here. Those are stand-up paddleboard racks, those 2 stainless steel bars. Making our way in towards the galley, we have the storage table right here. There are a few different table options on an Aquila 36. Over here we have our sink down in here. And you notice we had that grill back there before, so that means that we are going to have a Kenyan Induction cooktop right there, and an additional fridge beneath it. Check out all this seating right here. A lot of people will think, hey, what do I need all this seating for? I don't have that many friends. Well, guess what? You're going to have that many friends once you get an Aquila 36, because they'll just about come out of the woodwork from anywhere. Up here at the helm, I've spent a ton of time behind the wheel of these Aquila 36s in some less than ideal weather. We're going to have our dual Raymarine screens, our vessel view right in the middle right there. And of course, you heard me refer to that joystick piloting on the engines before. This is our joystick control system right there. Before we make our way down into the staterooms, I'm going to point out one of the main features on this boat. This is a full height windshield model. The Aquila 36 is also offered in a half height windshield model, which then has it gives you the option to have the isinglass enclosure that snaps on. On this one, it's solid glass, real popular option, real solid feeling boat, especially when you're in some inclement weather. Down here, I find myself in the starboard stateroom on the Aquila 36. The port and the starboard staterooms are going to mirror each other. They're almost identical, except in your starboard, you are going to have your control panel right here, which is very simple and easy to use. Everything you're going to need to know about the boat is handled right here. Up towards the bow is where we have our beds, and then towards the stern we have our, want to follow me down here, got our light. A lot of natural light comes on these boats so you don't feel claustrophobic. Then you have your head, which I'm about 6 feet tall, and there's plenty of room on top of me there. Keep in mind, we're in a 36-foot boat, and we've got 2 of these stateroom head combos. Here you find yourself in the port side stateroom. Like we said, pretty much identical to the one on the other side, except you do not have your breaker panel right there. But lots to offer, whether it's 2 couples, have your kids over there or whatever, and then of course you have the option for, you know, lounging out in the salon too. But you're not going to feel crowded, and if you were going to look for these amenities on a monohull, you'd be looking 45 feet and up. Up here on the bow, look at all this seating. Really well appointed cup holders, and of course the upgraded Fusion audio that they're putting on these 36s nowadays. Like we said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be a big hit. It is a big hit. We're already into hull number 117, 18, and even beyond, looking into the future for orders. So place your order now. Take advantage of it. The Aquila 36 is one of the most popular models that we have ever sold here at MarineMax. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis, coming at you from MarineMax in St. Petersburg, the Aquila hub. Schedule your very own tour, whether it's virtual, online, or in person, and we'll get you out on the water on a truly one-of-a-kind power catamaran. Bye, guys.